Hello students, how are you? I hope everybody is safe at home. Obey our elders. Okay students, now move on to our subject. 8th standard maths, chapter 1, rational numbers. What is rational numbers? Collection of all numbers that can be written in the form a by b. That a by b means fraction form, where a and b are integers. Integers means negative and positive values applicable. And b is not equal to 0. That b is denominator. Denominator is not equal to 0. If the denominator is 0 means we cannot able to find out the solution. So the denominator is not equal to 0. It is denoted by the letter q. That q is the rational number. I will give the example. Q is equal to 2 by 3 and minus 4 by 7, etc. Next, rational numbers on a number line. We know about how can mark the integers on a number line. Now, how can mark rational numbers on a number line? I will give an example, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is a positive line. I will put the number line, that is 0, positive side only always right side. Negative always left side. 1, 2, etc. Negative side minus 1, 2, minus 2, etc. Next, in denominator, what is the number? 4. We can divide 4 parts in between 0 to 1. Why I take 0 to 1? 3 by 4 is the proper rational numbers. All the proper rational numbers in between 0 and 1. Positive value means positive 0 and 1. Negative value means negative 0 and minus 1. This is the positive value. So, I will mark positive side 0 and 1. I will divide 4 equal parts. This one 0 by 4. The next part 1 by 4. Then next 2 by 4. Then next 3 by 4. The last 4 by 4. We can mark 3 by 4. Where it is 3 by 4? 3 by 4 is here. That's all. Then next move on to write a decimal as a rational number. Every terminating decimal can be written in the rational form. What is terminating decimal? We should divide the two numbers, the remainder becomes 0. That the decimal is called terminating decimal. I will give an example, 3.0. The 3.0, after the decimal 0 means nothing. So, I wrote 3 only. The answer becomes 3 by 1. That is the rational form. The next example, 0.25. After the decimal, we can 2 digit. So, we should divide 100. Suppose after the decimal, 1 digit mean we should divide 10. 3 digit mean we should divide 1000. Here 2 digit. So, we divide 100. 25 divided by 100. Simplify this answer 1 by 4. The next example, minus 5.8. After the decimal, only 1 digit. So, we should divide 10. Minus 58 divided by 10, simplify this answer, we get minus 29 divided by 5. That is the improper rational numbers. So, we can write mixture numbers, minus 5, 4 by 5. Then next example, 1.15. This one also, after the decimal, we have 2 digits. So, we should divide 100. 115 divided by 100. Simplify this answer, 23 divided by 20. Convert the mixed fraction, 1 into 3 by 20. The next topic, equivalent rational numbers. The numerator and the denominator of a rational number is multiplied a non-integer. What is equivalent rational number? We should divide the rational numbers in numerator and denominator with the same number. I will give the example, minus 4 by 7. I should divide 7 by 7. 4 sevens are minus 28. 7 sevens are 49. What is a non-integer? Non-integer means we should multiply other than 0 any numbers. That is equivalent fraction. Next, rational numbers in standard form. That a by b is a rational number. I will give Examples 4 by 5, 7 by 8, minus 5, minus 7, minus 4, 31, etc. I will give an example. Reduce the lowest form and standard form. 48 divided by minus 84. First write the standard form. The denominator negative moves on numerator. That is standard form. Minus 48 divided by 84. In numerator denominators cancel by 2 table. Minus 24 divided by 42. Again it is divisible by 2 table. Minus 12 by 21. Now it is divisible by 3 table. Minus 4 by 7. It is the lowest form and the standard form. Now next example, minus 18 divided by minus 42. Minus minus get cancelled. Only remaining 18 divided by 42. That numerator denominator is divisible by 2 table. 9 2s are 18, 21 2s are 42. Now it is divisible by 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21. It is the standard form. Next, comparison of rational numbers. Compare two rational numbers which is greater or smaller. I will give an example. 5 divided by minus 4 and minus 11 divided by minus 7. First write the standard form. That minus move on numerator. Minus 5 divided by 4 and both side negative get cancelled. 11 by 7. Now look at these two numbers. This is negative, this is positive. Positive only greater. Directly you should write minus 11 by minus 7 is greater. Now next sum. Minus 10 by 3 and 14 divided by minus 5. First change the standard form. Minus 10 by 3 minus 14 divided by 5. Both are negative. Now we want to find out which is greater. Cross multiplication. 5 tens are minus 50. 3 14s are minus 42. Now look at these two numbers, minus 42, minus 52. Which is greater? Minus 42 is greater. Minus 42 means minus 14 divided by 5 is greater. Then next, rational number between any two rational numbers. We should find out more rational numbers in between any two rational numbers. I will give an example. Minus 7 by 11 and 5 by minus 11. We have two methods. First method we want to take the LCM and put the solution. Second method we can use the formula. I will put first method. First change the standard form. Minus 7 by 11. This is standard form. Minus 5 by 9. What is the LCM of denominator? 11 9s are 99 because one value is prime number. So we should multiply directly. 11 9s are 99. Now minus 7 by 11 is equal to, we want the denominator both side 99. That's all. That is the LCM. 11 9s are 99. We should multiply the numerator also 9 table. Minus 7 into 9 minus 63 divided by 99. Next one minus 5 by 9. Minus 9 into 11, 99. In numerator we should multiply 11. Minus 5 into 11, minus 55. Now look these two numbers, minus 63 by 99, minus 50 by 99. In between we should write more rational numbers. Look at here, the rational numbers are minus 55 after, minus 56 by 99, minus 57 by 99, minus 58 by 99, minus 59 by 99, minus 60 by 99, minus 61 by 99, minus 62 divided by 99. Next, formula method. That formula C1 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B. I will give an example. Minus 7 by 11 and 5 by minus 9. First change the standard form. That first one A value. A is equal to minus 7 by 11. That B is equal to minus 5 by 9. I change the standard form. Then C1 is equal to, apply this value in the given formula, 1 by 2 into minus 7 by 11 plus minus 5 by 9. What is the LCM of the denominator? 11 9s are 99. We should multiply 7 9s are minus 63, 11 5s are minus 55. 1 by 2 into both are same number, so we should add these two numbers. Minus 118 divided by 99. We cancel these two numbers. Minus 59 divided by 99. Again, these two rational numbers, we can find another one rational number. Then next, these two rational number, we can find one more rational number, and so on. Second rational number, C2 is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus C1. A value already they given minus 7 by 11. C1 value minus 59 divided by 99. 1 by 2 into, what is the LCM? 99 is the LCM because they both are divisible by 11 table. So, I will take 99 is the denominator. Multiply this number, 11 9s are 99, 7 9s are minus 63, minus 59. Add these two numbers, we get minus 122. This is divisible by 2 table, get cancelled, minus 61 divided by 99. In between this rational number, one more rational number is there. Now, 4 basic operations on rational numbers. The first one addition, second one subtraction, third one multiplication, fourth one division. The first one addition. In addition, we see the like terms. All the denominators are same. We should add easily. The denominators are same. So, the LCM is 11. You should add directly the numerator. Minus 6 plus 8 minus 12. Simplify this value, we get minus 10 by 11. Next sum, that is different denominator. 9, 3, 12. Different denominator. So, we want to take the LCM for the denominator. 9, 3, 12. It is divisible by 2 table. 3 times, 1 time, 4 times. You should multiply 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. 36 is the LCM. Okay, now next minus 5 by 9. Minus 5 by 9. We should multiply 9, we get 36. Which number? 4. So, we should multiply numerator and denominator with 4. Minus 5 into 4 minus 20, 9 4s are 36. Again, we want to get 36. In 3, we should multiply the number, 12 means get 36. In numerator also, we should multiply 12. Minus 4 into 12, minus 48. 3 12, 36. Next number, 7 by 12. 12 into 3, we get 36. Numerator also, we get the same number 3. 7 3s are 21. Now, add this number, the LCM is 36. Denominator is same. Minus 20, minus 48, plus 21. Simplify these values, we get minus 47 divided by 36. Next, subtraction. 9 by 17 from minus 12 by 17. The denominator are same, but one condition they given, from minus 12 by 17. After from, we should write first. Minus 12 by 17, subtraction means negative symbol, 9 by 17. The denominator is same, so we should do directly. Minus 12, minus 9, both are same sign. Add these two numbers and put the sign. Minus 12, minus 9, minus 21 divided by 17. Next subtraction, they given mixed fraction. The denominator are different. Minus 2, 6 by 11 from minus 4, 5 by 22. First convert the mixed fraction into improper. 11 2s are 22, 22 plus 6, 28. Minus 28 by 11 from, multiply these two number and add this number, minus 93 divided by 22. After from, we should write first, minus 93 by 22, subtraction symbol, then bracket la minus 28 by 11. Minus 93 by 22, minus into minus, plus 28 by 11. The denominator are divisible by 11. So, I will take 22 with the LCM. Minus 93 divided by 22 plus, here we want to 22. We should multiply 2 means we get 22. 11 2s are 22. The numerator also we should multiply 2. 28 into 2. Minus 93 by 22 plus 28 2s are 56. 11 2s are 22. Now look, the denominator are same. Minus 93 plus 56 divided by 22. Subtract these numbers, here minus sign, here plus sign. Subtraction, we get the answer 37. The bigger number sign is minus. Minus 37 by 22. We want to change the improper fraction into mixed fraction. So divide these numbers, 37 divided by 22. 1 times we get 22. The remainder is 15. So the final answer is minus 1, 15 by 22. Multiplication. The first example, minus 5 by 8 into 7. Minus 5 by 8, we should write the 7 by 1. The denominator is 1. We should multiply minus 5 into 7, 35. And 8 into 1, 8. Minus 6 by minus 11 into minus 4. Minus minus get cancelled, so we should write 6 by 11 into minus 4, we should write minus 4 by 1. We multiply these numbers, the denominator 11 into 1, 11. 6 into minus 4, minus 24. So the answer is minus 24 by 11. Division. We should divide these two numbers, minus 7 by 8 by minus 3 by 4. That is minus 7 by 8 divided by minus 3 by 4. The division is a reciprocal of multiplication. So the reciprocal of this number, the division becomes multiplication. So reciprocal of minus 3 by 4 is 4 by minus 3. So we should write 4 by minus 3. 4 table, we get cancelled this number. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. We should multiply the numerator and the denominator. Minus 7 into 1, minus 7. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Both sides, negative symbol get cancelled. The final answer is 7 by 6. Okay students, remaining sums we will see next class. Thank you.